Hey guys, thanks for coming back by my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Curlformers. Prior to installing Curlformers, I washed my hair. I washed my hair using Oh So Clean by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. And I conditioned my hair with Aubrey Honeysuckle Rose Moisturizing Conditioner. I love both of these products because they give my hair a lot of moisture and are really the two products right now that are a part of my regimen. Here are the Curlformers. You're gonna need about 40. I'm gonna install all 40 of these Curlformers into my hair. And just so you can see what they look like, they're about this long. The pack also comes with the styling, what do you call these things? The styling rods, we'll call them. And it comes with two. So you'll have this in your pack. And the way you'll be loading your Curlformer onto the styling rod would be simply by just opening it and pulling it down. So this is what it looks like stretched out. I'm about to go out right now. As some of you may know, it is DC Restaurant Week, so I'll be going to Fleming's Steakhouse. See you guys in a bit. Fleming's Steakhouse was excellent. I couldn't help but share a few pictures. I had the Fleming salad with filet mignon and sauteed spinach. You guys have to try it out. Before I left, I did use As I Am's leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. I didn't want to go out to the cold without having some type of product in my hair when I was wearing my afro, so I added As I Am leave-in conditioner. Now what I'm going to do, I do Curlformers a lot, and because I do it a lot, I've tried it with different products. So I've used Jane Carter's Wrap and Roll Setting Lotion, Cantu's Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. This one's almost empty. And the Icy Fantasia Hair Polish Styling Gel. Or sometimes I even use Eco Styler. You have a few different options of what you can use, but today I think I'm just going to go with the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Setting Lotion. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I've sectioned my hair into 4 parts, and I'm going to start by working on the front section of my head. So since my hair has dried, I'm going to take my spray bottle full of water and spray my hair so that it's some moisture in it. I'm not too worried about the parts. I just want to make sure that I do at least 10 Curlformers per section because there are 40 in the pack. So I want to make sure that I use all of them, so I'll do at least 10 sections per the 4 sections. So now that I have this sectioned off, again, I'm not really worried about parting. I'm going to take my spray bottle, slightly spray the section, finger detangle a little. You want to be as gentle as possible. You don't want to break your hair as you're doing this. So you just go through. Now that I've added some water, I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil. Just a little dollop there. Just so that there's some oil in my hair. Now, the ends are very important in this process, so what you want to do is take somewhat of a wide tooth comb and go through your ends gently. And then start from the top, going all the way down. Great. Now, what we're going to do is take one section. I'm just going to part it with my nail. So now I'm just going to clip this back. Take the wrap and roll. It's a little too much, so I'll just put that on some random parts of my hair. And rub that all the way through. Okay. Again, I'm going to take the comb just to make sure that it goes all the way through my hair. Now we're going to take Curlformer rod, place the Curlformer on the rod. Okay. Now we're going to take the hair, I'm just going to hold it tightly at the root take the hook the hair as so, and then what you want to do is push the curl former up. You're going to push it all the way up so that the hair goes all the way through and let it curl. Okay, we'll do that again. Again, I'm going to part this section. Let's go ahead and clip it back. You see me looking this way because I have a mirror over here so I can see what I'm doing. Take some of the setting lotion, bring it all the way down through the hair. Take your comb. It's really important to comb out your ends because you don't want your ends to look scraggly when you take the curl formers out. I've had that happen a couple of times where I really didn't make sure my ends were detangled. So you want to really get through the ends of your hair especially. Sometimes what I do is I'll take some of my gel and put it on my ends just to make sure that my ends are laid. Okay, now we're going to take another curl former. A rod. Now you're going to hold that section tightly. Now when you hold the section, you're going to hook it in. And once you hook it in, again, you're going to push the curl former up and pull your hair all the way through. And that's how you get them installed. I'm going to repeat this process all over my head until it's complete.